Hi guys, so welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So today is June 5, 2021, and as you can see, I am now in our car, and supposed to be we will go somewhere today, but it's raining outside. I don't know if you can see it. Today is our first anniversary. So wala lang siya dito kasi kumuha lang siya ng payong sa apartment kasi naiwan. So let's see if anong ganap natin today. Kasi hindi namin alam kung matutuloy kami sa pupuntahan namin kasi nga ang lakas ng ulan. So maybe we will have to go to grocery and just buy foods and just eat dinner, intimate dinner outside, or intimate dinner in our house. Okay, so see you later. Abot.
How many minutes?
9 minutes. Huh? Yes. So this is the, what's the name? R-gard Cafe. So, cute lang siya. Dito to, oh. Nakata tayo tripod. Wala man.
Kaya sa pala madalang. Dahil ganit ikaw man grass.
Grabe kini siya ka ako. Ano eh.
Ito man kung anong tripod dili.
Follow the rules.
Kung anong tripod dili.
Ikaw. Ikaw, wala yung picture na ito. So wala kayo. Hindi man kayo siya. Grabe ka kaan. Picture lang. And the cafe, if we want to eat snacks or drink coffee, so we can go inside. But here, pwede mag-picture here. Need namin ang tripod para may picture kaming dalawa. Kuan pa kamulo pa nilang ginatarong ang place. Dimana. Natarong pa sila. Mag-picture me diri. Pero we need a tripod because no one will take picture of us. Naulog ang cellphone.
Thankfully. Hindi siya walay bato.
Ha?
Walay tara. Thankfully, walay bato. One honey lemon. Yes, one please. And one Thai tea.
Thai tea.
Ice please.
Iced. No, no, no. So we just wait for our order. Wait na kami sa aming order, guys. So their cafe is nice. Medyo maraming tao at outside. So dyan kami nang galing. Saan sa?
Perfect shot. After 50 pictures, only one is okay.
Galalis nami, guys. Galalis nami, guys. Pangit kayo siya makuha picture.
Excuse me.
So, na sila second floor. Look at that one. They have this like that. And you can also sit down outside. Pero mas nice dito sa loob kasi aircon. Diba?
Try natin ulit later, next 21 and that.
Oh, okay. Okay, so this is Brian's order. Honey lemon. And mine is the Thai milk tea. Okay, so let's drink. Giuhaw ako photographer, guys. Lowbat na ko. So we're done. Gikapoy may picture. Akong cameraman, gikapoy in town. Look at our pictures. Okay. So we're gonna go now because it's already what time? Hala, alas 4 na di ay.
It's 4:40 na.
Oh my gosh. So we will do some groceries and maybe dinner ka anniversary ra ba na mo ron? Anniversary ni.
Yeah, anniversary.
Okay, so lowbat na akong camera. Bye everybody. See you again next time. Bye.